Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be discussing the independent practice solutions to the commutative and associative properties lesson. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as necessary to help you understand the problems. Let's dive on in. Independent practice problem number 1. Simplify the algebraic expression and explain each step. Part A, 6 times 9t. Part B, 7 plus 12 plus y. Now is a good time to pause this video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. Let's start with part A. The current expression is 6 times parentheses 9t. We will need to use the associative property of multiplication. We can rewrite the expression as parentheses 6 times 9 times t. 6 times 9 is 54, so this expression simplifies to 54t. Next, for part B, we will need to use the associative property of addition. We started with 7 plus parentheses 12 plus y. We can rewrite this expression as, in parentheses, 7 plus 12 plus y. This simplifies to 19 plus y. Independent practice problem number 2. Simplify the algebraic expression and explain each step. A, 4c times 2. B, 8 plus m plus 5. Now is a good time to pause the video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. For part A, we currently have the expression 4c times 2. We will use the commutative property of multiplication to rearrange. Now we have 4 times 2c. 4 times 2 is 8, so this expression simplifies to 8c. Now let's take a look at part B. 8 plus m plus 5. We can use the commutative property of addition to rearrange. 8 plus 5 plus m. 8 plus 5 is 13, so we now have the expression 13 plus m. Independent practice problem number 3. Simplify the algebraic expression and explain each step. A, 12 times I times 4. B, 19 plus a plus 11. Now is a good time to pause the video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. Let's start by simplifying expression A. 12 times parentheses I times 4. We can use the commutative property of multiplication to rewrite. 12 times parentheses 4i. Next, we can use the associative property of multiplication to rewrite and then simplify. The expression becomes parentheses 12 times 4 times I. 12 times 4 is 48, so it simplifies to 48i. Now let's look at expression B. Parentheses 19 plus a plus 11. We can use the commutative property of addition to rearrange, and we have parentheses a plus 19 plus 11. Next, we can use the associative property of addition. A plus parentheses 19 plus 11. This simplifies to a plus 30. Independent practice problem number 4. A package of crackers contains 6 rows of crackers. Each row contains 15 crackers. Write an expression to represent the total number of crackers if there are p packages of crackers in the pantry. Explain each step. Now is a good time to pause the video to work on this problem if you haven't done so already. First, we need to start with our general expression. 15 times parentheses 6p. Remember that p stands for the number of packages of crackers, 6 are the number of rows in each package, and 15 are the number of crackers in each row. We can use the associative property of multiplication to rewrite this expression as 15 times 6, all in parentheses, times p. This simplifies to 90p. So there are 90 crackers per package in the pantry. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as many times as necessary until you understand the process. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.